Welcome to my channel. There are several different types of Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo, each with its own features, advantages, and costs. Please read my description if you are interested in learning more about the price and other details. Let's watch the video without further ado. The original Bond Builder, the only patented system to noticeably repair extreme damage, turn dry, brittle hair into soft, shiny, and more resilient hair. Highly nourishing and reparative, No. 4 shampoo repairs and protects hair from everyday stresses including damaged hair, split ends, and frizz by relinking broken bonds. How it works: a single molecule, free of silicones and oils, dramatically improves hair strength, protects from within, and provides immediate results. Made to work on all hair types, from curly hair to sticking straight, Olaplex is suitable and beneficial for all hair types. Check out the description to find the product link. Thank you for watching this video.